Hi there and welcome to Baking for Joy. In the video today we're going to be making a lemon curd and pistachio meringue roulade. You're going to need to set your oven to 200 degrees Celsius to preheat while we're mixing the ingredients together, and you're going to need a Swiss roll tin. So it's effectively a sliced tin, a rectangular tin, and those dimensions will be in the instructions below. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, and of course don't forget to watch my other videos that I've got on my YouTube channel. If you're ready, let's bake. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and have a wonderful day.